Hi friend, this is me Junaid from Junaid Production YouTube channel. Friend, in today's video I am going to make 100 watt LED light system with mini UPS. Here you can see this 100 watt LED light. Friend, before the starting of this project, I recommend you subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for more electronics project. Friend, to operate this light I am using step up converter. Here you can see this DC to DC step up converter. Friend, I am using lens plus reflector. Here you can see this. I am using heat sink. To operate this battery I am using 12 volt battery. And I am using PC fan. Here you can see this. Friend, to mount all these parts I am using plastic box. Here you can see this. There is cover of this plastic box. I will mount all these parts in this plastic box. Now let's start to make our project. Friend, I cut all these parts. Friend, I am using thermal paste to fix this light. Now friend, let's time for connection. Friend, there is positive side and there is negative side. I will connect then positive side. Here you can see this. Friend, there is input wire connection, and there is 12-volt battery. I will connect this battery with input wire connection. Friend, there is positive wire and there is negative wire. And there is input wire. So friends, connection, light connection has been done. Here you can see this. There is light wire. Light wire I connect with input side. Here you can see this. And there is fan wire. Fan wire I connect with input side. And there is battery wire. Now friend, let's connect the battery. There is battery wire. Friend, I connect negative wire directly to the battery, and positive wire I will connect between the button. And there is button wire. Now let's close this. Friend, for charging I am using DC jack. Here you can see this. So friend, light has been ready to use. There is button wire. I have not yet button available, so I will install button later. There is charging jack. Here you can see the intensity of light. Now friend, let's time for testing in outside.